Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie and I'm a graphic designer. Find the image that you want to use to create your silhouette. Copy it, open Adobe Illustrator, paste it. Lower the opacity, lock the layer, create a new layer, select the pen tool, and start tracing the shape of the animal you chose. This is my third silhouette video tutorial. I have one of a bunny, one of a horse, and now this one of a rhino. This one is pretty simple. Go around the legs, just fill in the parts of the feet, for example, that you can't see. They're covered by the grass. And then close your shape by clicking on the anchor point you started with. Change the fill to black, stroke to none, and it's as simple as that. I'm going to add a few extra details. I'm going to use the rectangle tool to create a rectangle. It's going to be the floor. Then I'm going to use the pen tool to create all these curved lines. I'm going to select just the curved lines and change the stroke style so that they're pointy on top and thick on the bottom, so it kind of looks like grass. Then I'm going to create a new rectangle that covers the whole artboard. Right click, arrange, send to back, add a gradient. Just so we have a background. And then just to finish this silhouette, I'm going to add a quote cutout. Use the type tool to type your words. My quote has 4 words, so I typed the words separately. They are all 4 separate. I'm going to place them more or less where I want them to be. Add a few stars with the star tool. And then select the individual words. Go to Object, Envelope Distort, Make with Mesh. Add the amount of columns and rows that you want your word to have to distort it. And then use the Direct Selection tool to select the anchor points and move them so that your word fits the shape you want it to have. Repeat this step with the other words. You can always go back to words that you've already done to modify them. I'm going to add another star over here. Then select all the words, go to Object, Expand, okay. Select all the words and the stars, go to Pathfinder, Unite. Now select your united words, the animal silhouette, Pathfinder, Subtract. All finished. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Ciao!